This is my favorite recipe for chocolate chip cookies. First, take unsalted butter and brown it. And then add brown sugar, then some white sugar, then mix. Then add some flour, about 2.5 cups, and sift it around. Baking soda, salt, mix. Add 2 eggs and then a teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix. I added some milk as well. Then add lots and lots of chocolate chips because it is chocolate chip cookies, Then mix. Then after, take out your baking tray, shape them however you want. Then take them to the oven and make them bake for about 12 to 15 minutes at 180 Celsius.